Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a post on Pixellab step by step. First, launch the Pixellab application on your device. You'll typically see a default text box. You can delete this or start fresh. Next, navigate to the image size options, usually found under the three dots menu, and select a common social media dimension, such as 1080 by 1080 pixels for a perfect square. Finally, choose a solid color background, or import a captivating image from your gallery to set the stage for your design. Now that your background is set, it's time to add your main content. Tap the plus icon at the top left to bring up options for text, shapes, and stickers. When adding text, explore the extensive font library, adjust its color, and apply effects like shadows or strokes to make it stand out. Don't forget to add engaging graphics. Pixellab offers a variety of shapes and stickers, or you can import your own images to enrich your post's visual narrative. With your elements in place, let's refine your design. The Layers panel is your best friend for organizing and adjusting the order of text, images, and shapes. You can easily move elements forward or backward. Dive into the editing tools to apply filters, tweak brightness, and adjust contrast to achieve the perfect look. Pixellab also offers advanced features like three-dimensional text and reflections, allowing you to add depth and a professional touch to your post. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save and share it with the world. Tap the save icon, usually represented by a floppy disk or share symbol. You'll have the option to save your image in various formats, with PNG being excellent for high quality and transparency. You can also save your project file to make edits later. Finally, share your stunning Pixellab post directly to your favorite social media platforms, showcasing your creativity to your audience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.